Hello friends, it's Danny here, Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share my card for the current Inky Paws challenge. This is good. This challenge lasts until September 1st at midnight, and it has the theme of stripes. So for today's card, I used the Newton's Heart stamp set. Even though it was designed for Valentine's Day, you can use it for just everyday cards. I used the Your Perfect sentiment. I used the Love and Meows paper pad. I love that on the back of Newton's Nook's paper pads, they share what designs are in it. And there were several striped designs in this pad, so I thought that would be fun. I used the Frames and Flags die set. I think this is becoming one of my most used dies. And then I used the Heart Frames die set. And here is my card for the current challenge for Inky Paws. Got something on there. Sorry, distraction, squirrel. Anyways, I cut the striped paper out with that Frames and Flags dies, and then I cut a heart out of this striped paper with the Heart Frames dies. I stamped the sentiments, cut out a couple extra hearts, and there's that cute kitty. I paper pieced the heart. I really went full on stripes for this card, and then just added some dots to just try to tie it all together. And then on the inside, I put the heart that was cut out of here. I thought that just made kind of a nice touch. So You're Perfect. I just love how it turned out. I just love Newton and this series from Newton's Nooks. The cats, well, the dogs, all of them. I love the stamps. But anyways, there is my card for today. Everything is in the description box below as to what I used, where you can find the Inky Paws challenge. So go and grab your striped Newton's Nook goodies and come join us. And until my next video, go do something for yourself. Go get crafty. Bye.